Temu coupons. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can get and use Temu coupons, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to basically get and use Temu coupons, it's actually quite simple to do so, because let's say you want to simply go to temu.com. There are many ways to get a coupon code. That is to always pay attention to the offers that Temu releases, maybe on their social or maybe on the notifications. They always give you these free coupon codes that are actually available, so you might want to apply those over here. Now after you've done that, if you want to use coupons, you have to use it during the checkout process, and for this just make sure you hit the checkout option on the right hand side after you've ordered the product over here. And after you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then select order summary here, and here you'll find the option called enter coupon code. So right here you can simply go ahead and make sure to enter the coupon code, hit the apply button. Depending upon the value of the coupon code, it's going to get successfully used to order this product here. So hope this video helped you as to how you can go ahead and then basically get Temu coupons and then redeem them. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.